Hello, students. My name is Matt, and I'm excited to guide you through the fascinating world of calculus. If you have any questions or need advice, feel free to ask GreyEd at any time. On to the lesson. Today, we will be focusing on an essential concept known as differentiation. Are you ready to dive in? Let's go! Calculus is a branch of mathematics that deals with the study of change and motion. It's used in various fields such as physics, engineering, economics, and many more. Differentiation is one of the two main operations in calculus, with the other being integration. So, what is differentiation? Simply put, differentiation is the process of finding the derivative of a function. The derivative is a mathematical tool that allows us to measure the rate at which a function is changing at any given point. In other words, it helps us determine the slope of a function's graph. When we differentiate a function, we find the slope of the tangent line to the graph of that function at any point. The tangent line represents the best linear approximation of the function near a specific point. By finding the slope of this tangent line, we can understand how the function is changing at that point. Let's take a look at an example. Consider the function f(x) equals x2. To differentiate this function, we use the power rule. The power rule states that if f(x) equals xn, where n is a constant, then the derivative f(x) as given by ings n1. Applying the power rule to our example, we have f(x) equals to x to 1 equals to x. Now, if we want to find the slope of the tangent line at a specific point on the graph of f(x) equals x2, we simply plug in the x value of that point into our derivative function, f(x) equals to x. As you can see, differentiation allows us to understand how a function is changing at any given point. This is just the beginning of our exploration into calculus. In future lessons, we will dive deeper into differentiation, exploring more advanced techniques and applications. I hope you're as excited as I am to continue this journey. That's it for today's lesson on the introduction to differentiation. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to reach out on GreyEd if you have any questions. See you in the next lesson.